Let's see how we can use the DETECTLANGUAGE function in Google Sheets. We have the DETECTLANGUAGE function Google Sheet open, and it has the data template we require. In column A, we have the serial numbers from 1 to 10. Using the sequence function, with rows 10, columns 1, start 1, and step 1. In column B, we have the text, "Hello," written in different languages. In column C, we want to detect the language of the text given in column B. For this, we will use the DETECTLANGUAGE function, which identifies the language used in text. It takes text or range as an argument. An example is shown. For our case, we will write equal to DETECTLANGUAGE B2. Let's close the bracket. Let's drag the formula from C2 to C11 range. We see that, for hello we get the language code as EN for English language. For hello, we get the language as German since DE is the code for German. For the third text, we get the code as JA, which is the code for Japanese. For the fourth text, we get the code as KO, which is for Korean. For the fifth text, we get the code as ZH, which is the code for Chinese. For bonjour, we get the code as FR, which is the code for French. For hola, we get the code as ES, which is the code for Spanish. For ciao, we get the code as IT, which is the code for Italian. For the ninth text, we get the code as RU, which is the code for Russian. For hola, we get the code as PT, which is the code for Portuguese. So, we detected the language of the text given in column B, in column C, using the DETECTLANGUAGE function. With this, we have successfully learned how to use the DETECTLANGUAGE function in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.